Assalamualaikum, and we are from Grutsal. We present about our case study about the game Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. We are from Environmental Technology Century. We perform it. So for the first part of this video, we present about the coding. The coding for this, the coding for this program, they include several codings, which is first is IOStream. IOStream is a directive for the processor. In this case, the sentence tells the compiler preprocessor to include the IOStream standard file. This specific file includes declaration of the standard input-output library in C++, and its functionalities is used later in program. Second is about include the cstdlib. This is the header that defines several purpose functions, including dynamic memory management, random number generations, communication with environment, integer arithmetic, searching, sorting, and converting. And the third one is we also include the Honor H. For this one is the function of this one is it is a header declares several useful library function for performing console input and output from a program. So we will proceed with the integer. So in this case, we include int argc, comma char star argv. So for this statement, it means that the argc is the numbers of argument being passed into your program from a command line, while the argv is the array of the argument. So in this case, for the value money for each questions, we include this formula. So each step, the sum of the money will sum up, and it will be sum up to the 1000. So in these games, we are using PO. The PO is a math functions, and after that, because of these games, this game consists of 15 questions with 3 levels. So we are using goto functions, as it provides an unconditional jump from the goto to a level statement in same function for altering the normal sequence of our program. So in this game, we also include the if-else case. If-else case is that allow you to control a program enter a section of code or not based on whether a given condition is true or false. So here is the lifeline that we include in this game. So there are 3 choices that you can take. First is you can ask the penonton, and after that is the 50-50 answers, and the third one is you can call your friends. Also in this case of lifeline, we also include the if-else case. So after we have guessed the correct answer for these questions, we also include the switch in this program, as there are 4 choices of answers, and if the choice that we are guess is wrong, then the game automatically will turn to maaf, and you will have to bring some amount of money that you have been win from the previous questions. And as for if you win these questions, the switch case will proceed until to the end of this game.
Hi, I will give the next explanation in our case study. After we have done the coding, we have to compile the program and then we run the program. For compiling and running the program, we must click the button at the top of the box and then make sure that there will be no errors turn up on the below box. After that, we run the program and then the runner box of the program will appear. Thus, inside the box, there's the questions that ask you to enter your name and then you just put the necessary data like your name. For example, your name is. After that, you just follow the flow what the question asks you. Then you will begin play the game. Based on the rules, it will 3 lifelines that you may use, but you can only use each of it one. If you want to use the lifeline, you just enter the number 1. Then it will be the 3 lifeline that you want to choose. Make sure that you have choose the correct one. For example, you choose the number 3. Then it will appear like this. It asks you the number phone of your friend you wanted to ask. Then you just put the number phone and then you just dialing your friend. After that, your conversation appear like this. Then you just enter your answers and the questions is gunung apa tertinggi di dunia. And then you just enter the correct answer. If the correct answer is A, you just enter the A. Then you just follow the flow. Then it will turn like this. If you want to proceed the next questions, you just enter the number 1. And then you just follow the flow and you answer all the questions. That's what the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire games. Thank you.